Your turn. Pork.
Pork? Pork meat?
Kumain kami ng 4 na bubble gum. Ang sarap sa dila.
Oh, buti ba bro?
I might pass out.
Me too. May pass out. Ano?
I faint. Only 10 seconds.
My sister lost the roll.
Oh, I don't even know that was so... That's spice of every bro. What's up, bro? What the freak, bro?
Laway. Laway ni JM tumulo.
Sorry.
Oh, you didn't even, look at me. No, it's not even wet.
No, I know. Then I'm so uwi.
Hindi.
Yeah.
So, siyempre, mag-public eh, mag-umalog ka naman.
Go, take back. Wicked.
Kinala ko doon yung malugi, hindi yung ano.
My longer. We're married, guys.
Sige. Hindi, pwede.
They are married.
Hey, you,
Kasi,
bro.
kasi ay tinutuos ko tayo mag-inom
You
ngayon.
need to delete that.
Bro, stop watching Philippines.
Hindi nyo ako dalawang.
You see Max Philippines.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Hindi mo na ako sarili ko. Hindi ko ako dahil ko tulog na siguro.
Mine is not spicy now.
Me also.
Remember earlier, it's so cold. Like you are in the freezer.
Gusto kakain lang daw. Wala yan. Tulaw na yung ice cream ko sa lalaki.
You lost to me.
Dalawa tayo. Tulog lang.
I'm the winner, bro. But I'm the one who lost the most, bro.
So good.
I'm 5 minutes. I'm 5 minutes.
Me, 2 seconds.
No, that is 20 seconds.
Yeah, bro.
Me, what?
You.
I'm kissing my baby.
Yeah, bro.
He did not take a bath. Even though
Naway ko na naman.
it is to
Naway
kiss
ko na
him.
naman. Left the group na naman siya. Kailan mag-isa?
What the freaking so?
Naway ko na naman.
He wants you. He wants to kiss you.
Yeah, you freaking. Yeah, freaking count me. No. Yeah, no, you fixed me, bro. You can move it to bite me. Don't you ever bite me, okay?
He beat me, people.
JM. 4 plus 4 plus 4.
6,000.
Bro, 6,000.
4,000.
Okay,
Hindi
guys.
ako natutok sa babies.
You need to drink
Ako
milk.
na siyempre
How many glasses? 5. 5.
Hey, yo, bro.
5 glasses, guys. Press mo. Ayaw mo sa ano eh.
No, not a bit.
Nakikita mo sa
No, JM, no.
cellphone.
Max, go. Go.
Some meat, some too.
Ay.
Yeah, bro.
Kailan? Ino?
Just a little bit.
Ayun.
Okay, now make mustache.
Bro. Bakit ano Bro, it's so... Bro.
Go, make some mustache, JM.
Bro. Bro, I throw this in the water.
Ah, where are you buddy boy put?
Are we ready?
There.
Alay.
Did you just?
Kung okay na.
Ilas step in it.
Yeah, bro. Did even step.
Sinabot mo ba?
Look at the
Hinak na rin ako.
Bro,
right.
bro, look.
Ano yun? Reaction ako.
Don't even. I'm drinking milk and we're gonna spill it on Maxwell.
Lagi na pwede ba kumulong na slow motion?
Did I
Please
found
ka.
Bro, I'm drinking his tail, bro.
I didn't close your eyes.
No!
What's that? What's that?
I'll definitely going to. So am I just create some mustache?
Over there.
Iiki ako magpapasalamat.
What's that, bro? I would go ahead.
Punta sa laban.
Boys, otherwise so scared of them.
Makapal yun eh. Pasadya.
JM, I'm going to make a dishes for
Hindi,
you.
simulan.
For
Pagbulit natin ng mga tulis mo.
JM, what do you want?
Siyempre, ikaw, dumudulas
What do you
ka na
want to
nakakatulong
eat?
ko sa
I'm
gato.
gonna make
Rice.
rice. Okay.
Utibay na, utibay.
That's rice. I'm freaking done drinking. I didn't even drink it because I'm drinking my dog's kapapata. Diba? He's freaking two of them.
Gusto ko pala nakahiga, pagbulog mo. Aksidente nga eh. Pag nakahiga ka, diretso ka na daw, wala na sasagkas dito.
Bro, do you know what 1 p.m. before you guys come? I first my
Baka ba't gamit tayo sa
4%.
Gusto ko maligo ulit.
Bro, look at this. Look what he said, bro. You get ready
Mami,
to
gabay,
take a shower
ayaw mo
so tomorrow morning when you saw that the sound of the bathroom. Your husband came home and looked for you. Decided to go and back her hear the sound of your delicious moan. So and because you hear the delicious moan, you around the broke down the bathroom door. You surrounded the bath and hiding on her. Why don't you welcome me? You want to be punished? To be, okay, how many rounds do you want? 20 rounds or until you can walk straight? I said, what? His work deeply leaning against the door frame with the tie already loosened eyes dark with hunger. As he looked over wet body in his stone chest, I was thinking about your own. Bro, what do you think I'm going to say? This one. Bye guys! See you guys!